Assalamualaikum and hi to Madam Raja Azrin. Today we are going to present CVP analysis. This presentation and slides were prepared by our group members, which consists of me, Nur Anshahira binti Ishaq, Farina Lia Izan binti Muhammad Isham, Anis Suraya binti Juman, Nur Azmira Izzati binti Muhammad Rizal, and last but not least, Siti Hairunadia binti Muhammad Sharifuddin Palu.
I will start our presentation with the introduction of CVP. So what is CVP? CVP is the study of interrelationship between the following factors: A. Selling price, B. Volume or level of activity, C. Variable cost, D. Fixed cost, and lastly profit. It is often called CVP analysis for short. This technique summarizes the effects of changes in an organization's volume of activity on its cost, revenue, and profit. The study of these factors helps the management in planning and decision making. For short-term planning, marginal costing technique and concept will be applied where the management need to separate the cost according to its behavior. Any semi-variable cost will be separated using high-low method. So the formula for CVP is sales minus total variable cost minus total fixed cost equal to net profit.
Next, we are going to talk about a break-even. What is a break-even? Break-even is the point of sales where total sales are just enough to cover the total cost. It is a position where the firm will not make any profit or suffer any loss. So, how are we going to compute a BEP? There are three methods that we are going to compute BEP, which is first and foremost is equations. Sales minus total variable cost minus total fixed cost, and we got a net profit. And then contributions, which is BE sales in units, total fixed cost divided with contributions over units, and for BE sales for in value is total fixed cost and divided with contribution ratios. And last and but not least is graphicals, which is we have three traditional BE graph, contribution BE graph, and profit value BE graph.
Next, there are a few assumptions of CVP analysis. 1. Fixed cost is constant in total. 2. Variable cost per unit is constant. 3. Selling price per unit is constant. 4. Mixed, which is semi-variable cost, can be accurately be divided or resolved into variable and fixed element, which is using high-low demand. 5. Worker productivity and efficiency do not change.
Number 6 is volume or activity is the most important factor that influence cost. And number 7, no significant change in stock level. For example, production and sales are in balance. And for the number 8, both variable cost and sales revenue have a linear relationship in volume. There are few limitations of CVP analysis. Number 1 is fixed cost is fixed only within a given time, spent and over a given range of activity called the relevant range. Fixed costs may change from year to year and when the activity level changes to greatly.
The second limitation is variable costs may fall as volume increase and trade discount will be obtained, but will then rise when the demand of the resource exceeds the supplies. The third is selling price may be reduced to achieve greater volume of sales. Therefore, in practice, it is not always feasible to resolve all the costs into their fixed and variable elements. The fifth, the efficiency and productivity do change, thus affecting the cost. And the last limitation is volume is not the only factor affecting cost. Factors such as efficiency, productivity, war, government regulation, and etc. is also affect cost.